Salam alaikum, marhaba fi Touratech Middle East. We are here in Dubai visiting our friend of Touratech Middle East, the place where we take our motorcycle for all our testing days. It's an amazing place, there are amazing people where I'm happy every time I came to say hello. And it's also a place where you can rent a bike if you come to Emirates for holiday. Now it's not time because we are in barbecue season, I don't suggest you. But from September, October, it's an amazing place to visit here around. For the desert of Dubai, of Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, a very nice place. Even if we go also in Oman, it's a really special place. To do a good job of testing and to test the material every time we have, it's very important to have a large range of motorcycle because it's important to test it. Yeah, for sure, in all conditions, on road, off-road, and all the conditions that the user's final will find on his truck. But we need also some difficult model because, as you know, if you have a BMW, it's different from a Honda and go home. You cannot take 100 motorcycles. So it's important to have a good partner as Touratech Middle East is for us, to have a place where we can collect a special motorcycle and to make our job. Hope to see you on Emirates routes. Now you know where you can collect a motorcycle. I'm waiting for you. Hasta luego, compañeros.